Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create exnova account. Alright, so let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to the official exnova website. On the home page, you will see the option to get started for free. Click on it. Now you will be asked to provide your details such as your full name, email address, phone number, and password. Make sure to use a valid email and phone number because you will need to verify them later. After that, agree to the terms and conditions and confirm that you are above 18 years of age. Once you are done, click on the Sign Up or Create Account button. You will then receive a confirmation email or SMS from exnova. Open it and click on the verification link to activate your account. After activation, you can log in using your registered email and password. From the dashboard, you can first try out the demo account with virtual funds, or if you are ready, you can deposit real money using the available payment methods. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create exnova account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.